What up, y'all? It's Mary. You watching Finna Eat, and today we are at the Battlefield Country Store. All right, Christmas time. They got some good Christmas specials going on, so we are here to meet Johnny from Lost Tribes Tattoos to get some goodies. It's cold, so let's go. Alright, you guys, we are here at the Battlefield Country Store. Alright, the reason we're here, in fact, is because of Johnny here. Alright, if you don't know Johnny, he works at Lost Tribes Tattoos. Okay, how did you come about this place? Why are we here right now?
Well, I had this client of mine who recommended the place. She brought me a sandwich, and it was so big. It was, like I said, it was like the size of my head. Mm-hmm. So I ate it. It was really delicious. I wanted to try the whole store, and I checked out the site. Had a bunch of crazy giant milkshakes, and I'm a big fan of milkshakes. So
the ice cream is what pulled you in?
Ice cream always pulls me in. It gets me into too much trouble.
Right. Do you know what that sandwich was? That huge one?
I want to say it had turkey in it, maybe some roast beef, maybe it had I don't know.
Some kind of meat.
Yeah, some dinosaur bone thing.
It was huge. That's all we know. Yeah. All right, well, he also tried the crab cake, okay, which is why we are here in the first place, is the crab cake sandwich. So what did you think of the crab cake sandwich?
Well, I do not eat crab at all. Zero. And
what made you get it?
Well, we're doing the show today, so I figured let me go ahead and
just for the show.
Yeah, so I figured I'd try it, and actually, it's pretty damn good.
Yeah, for somebody who doesn't like crab, for him to finish that whole sandwich, that tells you one thing about this place: they make good sandwiches. I had checked out their Instagram as well. Yeah, those milkshakes look amazing. They really do. Like, did you know that the bread that the sandwich came on is homemade? Most of their stuff's homemade here.
Well, from my understanding, they're Amish.
They are Amish. Well, not all of them. Amish roots, Amish and Mennonite roots, and most of the things in here.
A Mennonite who?
A Mennonite. Anyways, I'm ready to try this milkshake. So, you ready?
I am ready.
We ready. Alright, you guys, we are here at the Battlefield Country Store. I have Lauren with me, who's one of the managers here. I want her to tell you guys a little bit about, what they have going on, and about this amazing looking crab cake sandwich that is on special this week. Each week they have a different special that they have going. So I'm going to just pass it off to her so she can let me know a little bit about the sandwich before we move on.
Yeah. Hey guys, it's Lauren from the Battlefield Country Store. We are located in Fredericksburg, Virginia. Here we have our crab cake sandwich. It's our special sandwich of the week. Each week we have a different hot specialty sandwich that we put more thought into compared to our regular deli sandwiches. Here with the crab cake sandwich, the crab cake itself comes straight from Chesapeake, Virginia. It is mostly crab meat. There's not many fillers like bread and items like that, and they're made fresh for us. So we order them the week that we're doing the crab cake sandwich, and they come in fresh for us to give to you. It's served with fresh lettuce and tomato that we prep the morning of, and it's on our homemade hamburger bun that we got just today as well.
Y'all have been open for 3 years, right? Since 2016?
Yes.
Okay, and one of the main things I really want you guys to know is that most of the products in the handmade and home baked things, it's Amish and Mennonite roots.
Yes.
Right?
So a lot of our product, from our bakery to our cold salads to some of the products that we have out on the floor, a lot of them are Amish and Mennonite families that make those products for us. We also try to stay local, so we have some like local honey, even some of our baked goods are local as well, then some are even baked in-house. So we try to stay with family-made products, local-made products, or things here, so we have less preservatives and it's fresh for you all to eat.
Right. So healthy homemade goodies for you guys. Their ice cream. I know ice cream's a big deal here too, right?
Ice cream's only been open since August, so we haven't even opened for a year yet for ice cream.
Oh man, we're going to be trying some. Of course, we're going to be trying some of that ice cream. Is it any? Because it's homemade ice cream. Is it any special like recipes or anything?
So we do have recipes that are made for us specifically.
Okay.
And it's clean ice cream, organic ice cream,
Oh,
no
awesome.
artificial like flavors or colors and dyes, things like that you find in a lot of other ice cream.
Oh, see, this is the place that you want to go if you want something good to eat, something healthy for you, and just family-oriented atmosphere. Honestly, I love the vibe that the store gives off. It's really, it's a Battlefield country store, farm, family-friendly place. But I wanted to thank you for talking with me. Talking to them, letting us know everything. I appreciate you.
Well, thanks for coming in, and I hope to see you all soon.
All right, y'all. Now that we know a little bit about this fresh crab cake sandwich, I'm ready to eat it. I'm ready to try it, enjoy these fresh flavors. Because it honestly, it's a beautiful sandwich. Like, it really, really looks amazing. Tomatoes look nice and fresh. Lettuce looks beautiful, green and crisp. And I'm excited for the homemade bread too. So we finna eat this. I'm finna eat this, should I say. I gotta pick the perfect spot. Alright, so I actually really enjoy this crab cake. For it to be all nasty and cold outside, alright, the crab cake, it takes you back, just takes you back to summertime. Like, this crab meat, you can tell that it's fresh. Tell that's freshly from the Chesapeake. I love the season, it's seasoned perfectly in my eyes. I'm Mexican, so I guess I like a little spice, so it might be a little on the spicy side for some of you. I know my mom probably wouldn't be able to eat it. She can't do any type of spice. But perfect cake, okay, perfect crisp outside, moist inside, and honestly, the freshness from the tomato and the lettuce really make the textures balance really well. That crispness against the crab meat is just and the homemade bread is just That's the only way to describe it. It's just it's really good. I'm really enjoying the sandwich. All right, you guys, we are here with Alvani, who is the manager and in charge of the ice cream. All right, I told you before, ice cream is an important aspect here at the Battlefield store. As you can see, I have these two beautiful creations, and I would like her to tell us a little bit about what we're about to try.
So the milkshake is our weekly special. It is a hot chocolate-based milkshake with vanilla ice cream and hot cocoa powder, blended with only the finest milk. And then we top it with mini marshmallows that you can't see underneath your homemade whipped cream.
Oh, wow.
And then there's 2 chocolate cookies and a little marshmallow snowman made by hand in the morning.
Yeah, he's so cute.
He's adorable.
Yes, I love it. And then we have our ice cream sandwich.
Our Cosmo Cookie.
Okay.
He's our gingerbread version just for Christmas.
Okay, awesome.
He's a homemade gingerbread man made right here in the store. And then we decorate him by hand. And then we scoop our fine vanilla ice cream and mix with Christmas sprinkles and gingerbread man sprinkles.
Awesome. Oh my gosh. You guys, when I say homemade everything, okay, that just makes it like that much better. I'm excited to try my hot cocoa milkshake.
Made with love.
Made with love. You can tell by the snowman. Like, it has to have been made with love. Thank you for telling us about. Oh, Is there anything that we should know about the ice cream? You know, about the ice cream itself or just the ice cream side of things?
Our ice cream comes from a very small creamery in Pennsylvania.
Okay.
It is our own special recipe, so there's no GMOs, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors. It's all organic.
Oh, nice.
And it is the most healthy ice cream you'll find.
Oh, see? Healthy ice cream.
Healthy.
That's
Because it's organic, it won't make you fat.
See? We're going to be here every day then, right? All right. Well, yeah. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
I'm excited. I'm excited to try. So we're gonna hop on in this.
Okay.
I am excited. We have to try the cocoa milkshake first, okay? We are finna try, finna eat this, finna drink this, okay? Ooh, yeah. That's hot cocoa. That homemade whipped cream sets it off. Tastes like hot cocoa. It's a cold cocoa. Okay? It's a cold cocoa. Y'all come and get this cold cocoa with this homemade whipped cream on the top. I don't want to kill my snowman yet, so we'll save him for later. If I even eat him, I might take him home to the kids. I don't know. He's just so cute. He's just so cute. But everything else, alright. We moving on to the Cosmo Cookie, she said. I don't know why it's called a Cosmo Cookie, but this gingerbread man is cute, homemade. I'm finna eat this. Alright. I'm sorry, gingerbread guy. I'm biting your head off. All right, we finished everything and I loved it. I want to thank you for bringing us out here. Okay, Christmas time is cold outside. Even though it's cold outside, it's still the perfect time to get some ice cream. Okay, you can't go wrong with the Battlefield Country Store ice cream. Their homemade goodies are literally so good. He doesn't even eat gingerbread, okay? He loved this gingerbread.
Good.
Yeah, he doesn't eat crab cakes. He doesn't eat
Good.
crabs. It was good. I really don't eat crab cakes like that, but it was good, okay? That fresh crab cake is winter time, okay? It's Christmas time, but that fresh crab cake takes you back to summertime, just for a few seconds. Just that freshness. So, amazing. We loved it. I loved it. He loved it. So I want to say thank you again to Lauren, to Albani, the managers here at the Battlefield Country Store, and everybody else here that helped us, that prepared, everything for us. Thank you, and happy holidays to everybody in here and out there, from Finaeatthis and Lost Tribes Tattoos. Thank you to Johnny for bringing us here. Really enjoyed myself. Food was really good. I want to know what y'all finna eat, okay? What y'all finna eat these holidays, okay? Everybody's different. Hanukkah, Christmas, Tres Reyes, Kwanzaa. What y'all finna eat? Let me know. Maybe I'll try some. But I'll see y'all next time.